This Shopify store is doing over $1.6 million per year. And I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it. What's poppin', people? It's your boy, the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. Now, if you want to see a Shopify store that is doing pretty much everything right and absolutely crushing it, then you're going to want to watch all of this video. I'm going to break down their product pages, their Facebook ads, and the converting strategies that they're using so that you can implement them into your own stores. I can guarantee you're going to get tons of value out of this one, so make sure of course you drop a like on this video. It helps out the channel and gives the algorithm some love. And second of all, if you have any questions, make sure you drop a comment down below. Finally, if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure of course you subscribe with the notification bell on. I drop weekly videos showing you how you can make more money with your e-commerce and dropshipping stores using Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and all of that good stuff. So here is the Shopify store that is absolutely crushing it. And these guys are doing, from my estimates, 1.6 million per year. And I'll show you that as well of how I actually got to those numbers. But this is their actual homepage, and I'm going to show you also their ads. We'll have a look at some of those sort of pages that they're actually running as well, their ad strategy, their actual product pages, and some of the emails that they're actually sending as well. Okay, but first and foremost, let's have a look at the actual store itself and what the store actually essentially is selling. So it's a niche-based store, and what they are selling is pain-related products. So these products are compression products, and the actual person who would buy these would be at least some of the different angles that they are selling to, from what I can see, is people who have pain such as arthritis, so older people, and then other people such as sports related people down here, you know, who are interested in doing lifting a lot of heavy weights, people who are squatting, or maybe like CrossFit, those kind of things to help protect their joints when they're doing those kind of moves. Now, when I do these type of videos, a lot of people in the comments ask, well, how do you actually know that it's doing $1.6 million per year? Well, let me show you exactly how I estimated those numbers to be true and how you can work this out for yourself for other stores when doing research. So looking on a website called SimilarWeb, you can put in websites in here, and what it does is it pulls up the estimated amount of traffic that a store is getting. So if we have a look at this store here, we can see that the past 3 months it's had 140,000 people arrive on December, 135,000 people on January, and in February they've had a little bit of a slow month. And if you scroll down, we can have a look and see where these people are predominantly actually advertising, or where the bulk of their traffic is coming from. We can see it's predominantly United States, along with Australia, and then some European countries down here. And then we've got all of this kind of information here. Some of it's relevant, some of it you can go through and have a look at, some of it isn't. Now, one thing I actually want to show you based off this is we can actually then go ahead and base our calculations on what we think that this store is actually doing. So if we have a look at the visitors, and for me to arrive at this number, all I've pretty much just done is I've just taken the last 3 months, okay, added those up, and just done an average. So the average comes out at that many visitors. Now, I've done a base calculation on the store's conversion of around about 3%. I'm going to show you all of this as well, and you know, how well I personally think that they're converting. It's probably a little bit higher than this, and the average is around about 2.5%ish or 2%. I personally think they're converting at about 3%. That means that the amount of orders that these guys are potentially getting per month is around about 3,524. Their AOV, that again we'll look at in a little bit of a moment, I personally eyeball in around about $40. So you can see their estimate monthly is around about $140,000. Okay, with a yearly estimate, providing that they are doing this every single month, sorry, at around about $1.6 million. All sales start with traffic. So let's have a look exactly how they're running their Facebook adverts, and then how they're converting those visitors into buyers. So if we have a look at their Facebook ads library, we can see that they're running 230 ads on Facebook. So we know that they're driving traffic and spending money on the platform, which is a good indicator. Another good indicator is if we scroll all the way down to see when their their first kind of ads are up and running, we can see that they've still got ads potentially running from October 2020, right? Which again gives us another good indication that they've been running for a long period of time. Another indicator is something that I like to do, such as see if there's any retargeting ads, because if there's any retargeting ads in their ads library, it tells us that they're running traffic to cold traffic, and they're also getting a substantial amount of visitors to then be able to run retargeting ads. And these ones here seems to me like they are retargeting ads because they're offering a discount. And most of the time, if you're running adverts, you won't offer a discount to the cold top of the funnel people. You usually do that in the middle of the funnel, people who have, such as, went to the visit page and didn't add to cart, or people who added to cart and didn't purchase. And that's how we would retarget those kind of people with these offers. Okay, now looking over their ads, you can see that they're running some image ads of multiple different products with a lot of heavy text on them, such as these ones here. Okay, and these ones here as well. And then they're also running some image ads here along with just some user generated content of people smiling or using a product here. They also have videos as well. So if I click play on this, you can see that straight off the bat, how to end arthritis pain in 2 easy steps. Straight off the bat, what does that do to people watching this? If you have arthritis, or you're dealing with that, or you know someone who is also dealing with that, okay, instantly you're going to be hooked straight off the bat with the hook of that that they're putting inside of this video. Another thing, of course, is just going straight into those how easy it is to use, and it also looks like they're using some user generated content as well. From, they could be paid actors, they could be influencers, micro influencers, it doesn't really matter, as long as they are people who fit the demographic who you are selling a product to. And it's a very great ad. Facebook Ads Library is an absolute goldmine for coming up with inspiration for your creatives and also ad copy. And you can see here that what these guys are utilizing with this product is they are starting out with a quote or a testimonial for a person who fits that avatar, who they actually want to target with, okay? And then coming up with some social proof here, loved by thousands of people, etc., free worldwide shipping, and then coming with the call to action there. Now you can utilize these, not copy them, but utilize the actual structure, okay? You can change up this quote and then change up these here to fit your product, and utilize those if you are struggling to come up with ad copies for your adverts. And you could be in a completely different niche and not even selling a product like this and still have a structure that's similar to this, okay, and still work. A lot of the time people try to reinvent the wheel when, there's no real need to do so. Now, one thing that this Shopify store brand was using were bridge pages. And let me show you exactly what they are and how you can potentially utilize them for your stores. So instead of running to a product page, they run to a bridge page like this. And this is a very indirect sell. It's sometimes, most of the time, like an article of an experience of someone who's going through pain, and then they subtly directly sell the product that they are selling. So all of these links here go to the product page. And big brands such as Blissy use this strategy. Boom by Cindy Joseph, Ezra Firestone uses this for his brand as well. You can see here 5 good reasons why you need the product, okay? And then down here there would be some sort of offer. And then this would essentially go to the actual product page. This is something that a lot of health related products and high ticket products utilize. It's not something that you want to do for every single product, nor is it needed, but it's something that is definitely worth testing out if your product fits a certain demographic. A product page can be the deciding factor on whether or not you break even, lose money, or you make money. Essentially, at the stage of the product page is where someone makes the decision, yes, I want this, or no, I don't, and leaves the website. So it's important that you have a high converting product page that turns visitors into buyers. This brand is doing a great job at doing that. So let me show you exactly some of the elements that you guys can utilize into your own stores. So looking on a product page, you can see right away they have a few things, which is the bestseller, and this is all above the fold. So you can see here, everyone sees this as soon as they land on a product page. You can see that it's got the bestseller, the name of the product, and then a cool strapline underneath that says put an end to ankle pains and swelling in 5 minutes or less. So if you have those kind of things, this is essentially calling out the problem that someone has and that they can get the solution in less than 5 minutes with this product. Underneath that, they have these benefit points. And this is something that I personally like to do with our stores and on our landing pages, is writing out what the product benefits are right off the bat so that they know it's easy, digestible content. So, it's comfy fit. It's instant pain relief, breathable fabric, built to last, great for sports, machine washable, and they get a free ebook as well. Another thing that people need to be doing is increasing their average order value, which is getting people to essentially purchase more than one product on their website. And these guys are doing a great job of this as well. Now, I believe this is an app. It could be custom coded, but this app itself, there's another one out there called I think it's wide bundle or something like that, which allows you to do something similar to this. Or alternatively, you can just use your variants. So if you're using variants, you know, buy one, buy two, get 50% off, buy three, save 30%, whatever it may be. But the main goal for this is to, of course, get people to purchase two for both knees rather than just purchasing one for one of their knees. And then underneath this, of course, they have another testimonial. It provides unparalleled support to my ankles, okay? And scrolling down, have a look at the rest of the actual landing page. You can see they have drop downs here, which is something that we like to do as well. And we have these just custom coded. Some themes already have it built in or not. But if you don't, then you can get these custom coded in as well. And of course, they've got these benefit points here as well. Real people, real results, which is of course using the AIDA principle. So they capture someone's attention, then it's obviously their interest, and then people desire the actual product as well, okay? And then scrolling down here, more benefits of the actual product and also an ebook. Now with this ebook, I've done this on one niche store. It's not, you know, you don't have to do this for every single store, but for certain stores, it's great to actually offer an ebook, and you can create these yourself if you're good at writing. Or alternatively, what I personally done was I just went onto Fiverr, found someone who can write an ebook. It doesn't really cost that much, and it could just literally be as much as 4 or 5 pages, but it has that perceived value that people feel that they're getting more when they actually purchase your product. Scrolling down, you can see that again, they have another call to action for people to purchase the bundle of buying 2 rather than 1, okay? And again, this is just all a goal to increase the average order value so that you can spend more on Facebook to acquire your customers. Okay, and then scrolling down as well is FAQs, and with the new Shopify themes, you can build these sort of pages yourself. You don't need page builders. You also don't need much custom coding. With the new Shopify OS themes such as Sense and Dawn, and those ones, you can build these automatically into your product pages with the sections feature. So definitely check those out if you haven't already. And then it goes without saying is of course having reviews on here, because people buy from other people. One final thing I want to show you is what sort of emails they actually send when you sign up to their email form. So you can see here at the bottom, they have a get an extra 15% off when you sign up here. They also have pop-up exit intent pop-ups. I can't show you what it looks like here, but essentially, you know, when you go to exit out or when you scroll a certain period of time, an exit pop-up will pop up and essentially say the same thing. Do you want 15% off? Okay. And this is what they send right off the bat. You get a 15% welcome discount, okay, which is an image here, nicely designed. If we scroll down, they actually have a welcome, etc., with that discount there, okay, along with some other products here to essentially, you know, offer some variation or alternatively increase the average order value as well. So if you're not utilizing emails in, you know, welcome email flows, abandoned cart flows, post-purchase flows and those kind of things, then make sure you're doing it because you are leaving money on the table. All of you watching this video have the capability to turn a standard, simple dropshipping product that you can get from AliExpress into a substantial and sustainable brand like what these guys have done. Start dropshipping and find something that works, turn it into a brand and start to brand the products, and then continually optimize that brand for success. So hopefully you got some value from this video. If you are still watching, please do drop a like on this video. It would help out the channel so much. If you do want to learn more from me personally, then make sure of course you check out my Ecom Beast 2.0 course and private mastermind. If you come from YouTube and use the code YouTube100, you'll get $100 off the course. If you want some free value, then make sure of course you check out my free dropshipping ebook. The link for that will be down below. It's 100% free. Go check that out and grab yourself a copy. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts of this store. Do you like the store? Do you like the design? Are there ways to improve? Are there things that you would implement into your own stores? Let me know in the comments down below. Hit me up on Instagram and Twitter and we can try and connect on there. But that is it for this video. Take care and I will see you in the next one.